So here is the data for part 2, where we are reacting solutions of various alkaline earth metals. So we're using magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, strontium chloride, and barium chloride, so the group of alkaline earth metals, with various testing solutions. You can see in your directions, there's sodium carbonate, there's sodium sulfate, and there's potassium iodate. So what we're looking for is how often does the chemical react. So we're putting magnesium into wells 1, and we're going to react them with the 3 different solutions, so 3 wells. So I just did 5 drops of each. That should be enough for you to see everything. Calcium is next. It does say 10 drops, being a little stingy. Strontium, there's the strontium. Going in next. And finally barium with the known metals. And then you're also supposed to do an unknown. So for us, we are going to do unknown letter P. P for plata. How's that? So I'm going to put 3 drops in the 5th column. And what you're going to do is see if you can figure out which alkaline earth metal is making up this unknown substance P. All right, so make sure you write that down in your lab notebook, unknown P. So first off, we're going to react everything with sodium carbonate. So we're looking for a reaction as indicated by a precipitate forming. A precipitate is a solid product that forms. So we're going to look for really the solution getting cloudy. So sodium carbonate going in with the calcium, going in with the magnesium, going in with the strontium, going in with the barium, and going in with our unknown. So what I want you to notice is I put about the same number of drops in there. Notice that in some cases we got much more cloudiness than in others. Those are things you want to note in your data table. So next we will use the sodium sulfate. And next we will use the potassium iodate. Okay, so again, 2 things that you want to look for, and I'll move these around so you can see how much solid you have, whether or not you actually get a solid. So again, this is calcium, this is magnesium. I'm sorry, oh, did I mess it up? No, I'm sorry, this is magnesium, this is calcium, this is strontium, this is barium, and then this is your unknown. So you want to compare what you see with the four knowns to what you see with the unknown. And decide which unknown you actually have.